Now we're going to talk about enharmonic intervals. As you remember from the first chapter, enharmonic, when we talked about enharmonic notes, is basically calling one note by two different names depending on how we approach it. So for example, if I have the note C sharp, it's also D flat, right? So enharmonic intervals works the same way. So let's say I am given this interval, augmented sixth, F to D sharp. F to D is a sixth, and then F to D sharp gives me an augmented sixth. The easiest approach to doing enharmonic intervals is to take the note. If there is a note with an accidental, then call it by the other name. That's the easiest way. Sometimes we can't because we're given two notes and they don't have an accidental. In that way, or in that instance, you would just pick one of the notes and call it by another name and figure out what that interval is. So in this example, I'm going to call D sharp by another name, which would be E flat. Then I would have F to E flat. In this case, it gives me an enharmonic of minor seventh. So the enharmonic interval of augmented sixth is a minor seventh. The reason for this is now my distance from F to D sharp is F to E flat. F to D is a sixth, whereas F to E is a seventh. So now in this case, F to E flat will give me the distance of a minor seventh. So this is an example of an enharmonic interval. An augmented sixth becomes a minor seventh.